This video is going to be my weight loss routine for 2019. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what I'm going to be doing this year to step up my weight loss game with my nutrition and with my fitness routine, as well as supplementation, meal prep, and all my secrets and tips to fast and easy weight loss. If you're new here, my name is Sierra and I do videos on wellness and weight loss. I'm not a trainer or a nutritionist. I just share my experience in losing over 50 pounds and how I'm maintaining and keeping that off through a healthy lifestyle, realistic workout routine, and an affordable approach. I accomplished a lot in 2018 in terms of wellness and weight loss. As you guys know, I did lose 40 pounds in 3 months, and last year I just focused on maintaining that as well as trying to increase and boost my health through healthy meals and really just realistic and maintainable workouts. And so I did that, as well as maintaining a good supplement routine. What I want to do this year is not only to maintain my 40-pound weight loss, but I also want to take it to the next level. While I'm very satisfied with the way my body looks now and where I'm at, I think I am doing very good in that arena. I want to step up my game even more in 2019, and I really want to start varying up my meals. I want to make my workouts more exciting and varied, and I want to take my nutrition to the next level, even more so than I did in 2018. And I want to share with you guys what I'm doing so that you can do it with me and lose weight and get fit too. Okay, so first let's talk about my fitness routine and you all's fitness routine in the new year. This year, I want to maintain my level of fitness, but also become stronger. So the biggest thing I want to do is incorporate more consistency. And now I really have no excuse because I did move, and I moved somewhere where I have a state-of-the-art gym in walking distance from my door. So I have no excuse. Next, I want to incorporate more variation. I'm a creature of habit and I tend to stick with the same workouts. So this year, I want to switch it up. Right now, what I'm doing is working with an app called 30-Day Fitness Challenge, and it gives you a 30-day workout plan, and there's different workout challenges. I'm going to put the link below. You guys can download it, and I challenge you guys to get on the app and join me on whichever challenge you decide to do. But I really like this app because it has tons of different workouts, and not only does it describe how to do the workouts, but it also shows you in short form videos, because a lot of times workout plans just list what you're supposed to do and it's kind of confusing and boring. But with this one, you're always challenged, and they just have so many different kinds of challenges. They have a butt challenge, a cardio blast challenge, a toned body makeover. They have one to slim your arms. I'm doing the bikini body challenge. So I would love if you guys joined in with me and did the challenge. And if you're going to do it with me, comment below, #BikiniBodyHottie. So yeah, this app is really helping me to switch up my routine and my workouts. As y'all can see, I'm doing a little booty exercise and working with my body weight resistance, which is not something that I did a lot of last year. And I think that doing so this year is going to stretch me outside of my comfort zone. It's going to help me tone up in places that I got a little soft in 2018. And it's going to give me that bikini body just in time for summer. I definitely encourage you guys to switch up your workouts as well, especially if you've hit a weight loss plateau or if you just want to change your body. I also want to make a big focus on stretching because that does help your muscles become more long and lean, and it just helps you to avoid injury. Also, drinking lots of water is going to be big for me this year. I did good with water last year, but I want to drink even more this year to step up my game. Okay, let's talk about nutrition. Nutrition is the most important component of weight loss. So for me, last year, I had a good nutrition meal plan that was based on maintaining the weight loss I already had. This year, I want to incorporate the same healthy foods, but in more portion control and including more protein so I can lose more weight this year. Trader Joe's, I'm going to show you guys some things that I got. So first off, I got these TV dinners from Trader Joe's. This is the cod provençal with ratatouille and rice. Literally only has 340 milligrams of sodium. Love that this is a healthy TV dinner. Buttered lettuce for my salad. Boiled eggs that I can have in my salad. Quick protein. Organic chicken wings. Made chicken that you get. I like the lemon pepper, but they were all out. Grilled chicken strips, you just heat them up. It's super easy. Almond milk, avocado. Okay, so I mentioned drinking tons of water. One way I do that, and I'm going to do that this year, is by incorporating these Jolly Rancher flavor packs in my water. They're 5 calories and sugar-free, and they taste just like apple Jolly Ranchers. Also, I'm going to try out other forms of protein because I live life on the go and I'm always so busy. It's harder to pack in protein-packed meals. So I'm going to try some protein shakes and just ways of getting my body quick protein that I can consume that will help me to build lean muscle mass. Also, lots of fruits and vegetables, lots of salad. I'm trying out this new ranch dressing. It's yogurt ranch dressing, so it has way less fat and way less calories. And something that really worked out well for me that I did last year and whenever I need to lose weight is to meal prep, especially since I'm going to be very busy in the new year. I like to get these pre-made Trader Joe's grilled chicken strips. They also have chicken breasts, the lemon kind, and I love those. All you do is heat them up. So I heat that up with my brown rice and some veggies, and I plate them in these bento meal prep boxes. They are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and they're perfectly portioned out. So I use these. I got them from Amazon. They're actually really cheap. It's like $10 for a pack of 10, something like that. But I'll link them below because I get asked about them a lot. But I can do quick and easy meals by using things that I can simply heat up or steam in the microwave or throw in the oven while I'm doing something and go. So this is one way that I'm going to achieve more weight loss in 2019. To me, this is super easy, and I also think that meal prep helps you to plan ahead, and it also helps you to have more time because you're not planning to cook long, arduous meals. So I definitely recommend you guys to do that. I also want to keep my supplementation. I did a really good job of that in 2018, and so I would like to keep that constant. There's not too much I change. I do have a video on the supplements I take, so if you're interested, that will also be linked below. So yeah, that is the plan for 2019 to get in the best shape of my life. I hope that you guys learn something from what I'm doing. I really want to have accountability with you guys, and I want us to be like a support group and support each other, because sometimes it does get frustrating and sometimes you do hit weight loss plateaus. I want to be able to show you guys my journey so you don't feel alone. And I want to show you the realistic things I'm going to be doing this year, because I'm not a celebrity trainer. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm a regular person just like you guys. And I'm always trying to save money. I'm always trying to do things
I hope that this motivates
time,
you and gives
I'm
you
always
some
trying
new
to
ideas
get better
for
your wellness and weight loss, as well as encourages you to know you don't need lots of money or a celebrity trainer or a fitness instructor, a chef, a nutritionist. You don't even have to have a gym membership. You can do workouts from the comfort of your home. You can work out with workouts from your phone, from apps, from YouTube. You can do it if you set your mind to it, no matter what your situation is. And I just want to show you guys that through what I'm going to be doing this year. To to help you guys out, I have linked down below the meal plan that I use to lose over 40 pounds in 3 months. So if you're needing to lose a large amount of weight in a short amount of time, follow that meal plan. Anyone can do it, whether you're diabetic, vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, you love meat, you don't. There's something for everyone in that meal plan. It's customizable. Also, don't forget to download the 30-Day Fitness Challenge app. That's going to give you workouts you can do in your own home. And I think it's going to be super helpful for those of you who don't like the gym or don't have a membership, or even if you just want to vary up your workouts. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be making tons more videos this year on my journey with wellness and weight loss and giving you guys tons of tips on how you can also. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.